Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the IC-WILE-200 grain moisture meter with test weight. The WILE-200 tests grain moisture, hectoliter weight and temperature quickly, precisely and efficiently. Plus it comes in a rugged carry bag for easy portability. The WILE-200 guides you through each step of the measurement process so that you can achieve the most accurate measurement results possible. Because of the larger sample size of the IC-WILE-200, you can achieve a comprehensive overview of the grain that you are sampling. In the box there is a user guide, a USB cable, a strap for the carry bag, 4 AA batteries, and the grain moisture meter. The meter features a clear plastic hopper on the top, a slider to open and close the hopper, a handle with a brush to remove excess sample. Removing the hopper shows the measurement area. On the side is the USB port. On the front there's a large LCD screen and 5 buttons. There's a power button, up, down and back selection buttons and the enter button. And last of all, on the base is the battery compartment. For more information on this meter, including a video demonstration on how to take a measurement, and for details on how you can contact an Instrument Choice scientist for more information, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!